Hey gang, Matt with Atlas Precision Consulting. In today's video, we're going to talk about doing an inventory return and shipping that return. I'm already in the inventory return screen, and I preloaded my location ID, my vendor supplier ID, buyer ID, and I already filled in my authorization number, though you may want to wait till you actually get that approved. Now you can just start adding the items if you're doing a return. But if this is returning something directly from a PO, in the PO reference number field, you can either just type in your PO number, or you can double click into the field and bring up all of your POs that are assigned to that supplier. So I'm just going to grab one of these here, because what it's going to do is when you tie it to an actual PO, it's going to tell you that all the items that were purchased on that PO are received on that PO. Now, it's important to note that even though we received 300 off of this PO, we only have 37 available because we have stuff allocated. So if you needed to return the whole amount, you need to make sure that you're unallocating those first. It also brings over the unit price from that PO. For this example of this video, I'm just going to pick a number, hit 5, and click OK. Now, at that point, it is on there, and you could do some other notes and stuff like that if you need to. But once you get the approval from the supplier, you would obviously put in your authorization number, change this to approved, and once you do that, you can now print the pick ticket and then go pick it and ship it. And so I'm going to print this up real quick, and then I'll be back to ship it. All right, guys, back at the inventory return shipping screen. As you can see, I got my pick ticket up here on the screen. This is return number 2. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to enter in that return number. And it's automatically going to pull in, obviously, the information that we were expecting. If I was shipping this on a different date, I could change that. And you can come down here and look at the lot bin tab. It should match what is on our pick ticket. If it doesn't, you can make those adjustments if you need to. You can obviously change the quantities. If you decided you only wanted to ship a different amount, you could change that quantity, and it's asking you if you want to return that extra one back into inventory. If you said no, it would actually not return it to inventory, and we would be in a bad spot. You'd be missing inventory. So I'm changing that back to 5, and then it's a matter of just clicking the print packing list or email packing list, whatever you want to do. It's really just about hitting save, pulling it in here and hitting save. That's it. So that's how you do an inventory order entry and a inventory shipping. Obviously, here's our packing list. If you guys have more questions on this topic, or you want to see videos on other topics, make sure you put a comment down below. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Atlas has got a lot more videos coming. Thanks, guys.